G'day guys, it's Craig here from White Magic here at the 2019 Sydney Gift Fair. This is our stand. We've got some handy cards falling from the ceiling just to add a little bit of suspense, excuse the pun, and I just want to take you through the new things. So this has made a real impact. This is the masher. The masher is a tool that mashes, as the name suggests, mashes things like, here we've got chickpeas to make hummus, and you see what's happening? It's basically forcing the chickpeas through the edge of the masher and extruding them. This might give you a better understanding. So you see how that blade goes around and the holes on the edge, basically that blade forces the chickpeas, the potatoes, the avocado for guacamole through the holes and extrudes them. The benefit of that, it doesn't break up the starches of the food, keeps it intact, so you get that lovely creamy feel without it going to slush. The masher is on for $79.95. Good margin for an electrical item for the retailers. This display you see here is 10 units, four behind and 2 in the front. We've got this great card and base for your demo one, and we've got our 7-inch screen to play the Mashers videos. We've got a great deal going on this display where we throw in the TV, we throw in the sign, and we throw in the demo for you to put around your cash register and watch the Mashers fly. So ask your local rep about this product. We believe it's got huge potential. It's patented, by the way, 15 years left on the patent. So there's nothing out there like it, and for 15 years there will never be anything like it. So the masher, great for potatoes, great for guacamole, avocado, great for hummus, great for mixing flour and butter, great for making soups, great for whipping cream, great for thinning out your bolognese, the masher. This is new. This is the AGHA display stand. So the AGHA display stand basically is a 4-sided stand. I'll just rotate it for you. Oops, let's push it out. So 4 sides. So that is the bathroom side. That is the kitchen side. It's got all our best-selling kitchen products like the paper towel holder, the sponge holder. This is the plastic entry-level products, so mini, large, bathroom, phone holder and hand towel holder. These are the entry-level cheaper items. I should have mentioned there's a demo section across the top. This line won't be there in the final version, so this will all be flat metal where you'll be able to put your demonstration eye hooks. So in this instance we've got the file mini. Back to the kitchen, we have the pantry holder. On the bathroom we had the corner shelf, and you can see all the bathroom related eye hooks. And then the 4th side, these are our laundry or general stainless steel eye hook products. You've got the basket, you've got the shelf, you've got the gang of 5 hooks, and you've got the hideaway bin. But this is freestanding, it's on wheels, it's rotatable, allows demonstration, allows all the range to be in one spot, and we're very excited about that. Here you've got, don't forget, is our smart bins. Now any retailer who wants to sell rubbish bins needs to get our smart bin display. So this is the large panel with the TV and the plinth, which basically connects, or alternatively you can get the small plinths, which you see down here in the 20 and the 12. It makes such a big difference. We introduced this 6 months ago to retailers. The difference in sales has been staggering. The plinth, and also this little fridge magnet which says tap here to see why I'm called the smart bin, makes all the difference, because if the customer cannot get to that, they do not understand the concept. It just doesn't crystallize. So you need to get this demo unit going. Obviously batteries in the smart bin, have the fridge magnet, and that'll make a huge difference. So I really recommend everyone on that. This is a great little sample item that we brought in, which has had great feedback on. Basically, it's the foam hand wash dispenser. We've always had the smart wash in the liquid, which is great, but the foaming hand wash is even better because the foaming hand wash basically uses only 20% hand soap and 80% water. So you're only using 20% hand soap, 80% saving in using this, because 80% is just water from your tap. And that creates this beautiful foaming hand wash. So it's a much more cheaper way of using your hand wash. We're the only ones, we believe, in the market with an automatic sensor foaming hand wash, and we're very excited about it. There's a little war and waste area. Obviously the blue apple, the veggie zips, which have been very, very popular for controlling humidity in the crisper, and of course the silent assassin, the Stay Fresh mat. The White Magic range, where it all started. The shower, bath and tile has been a big hit since the last fair, so make sure you check that out if you haven't got that in your shop. That's basically the White Magic sponge on a handle that goes all the way to 1.3 metres and allows you to clean every surface in the bathroom. The Eco Clean, which we still adore. The backbone of the kitchen cleaning range, the washing up pads, the drying mats, the tea towels. The famous Eco Cloths in all their singles and doubles. The pet range, which is great. The bamboo range. There's been a price drop for retailers on the bamboo range, so ask your local agent on that. About 20% price drop on that in the bamboo. And the Power Dots, cup and mug. The powerhouse that is the Scrubtastic. If you haven't got that on your shelves or next to your till, you're absolutely missing a must-have product, especially the flat. The flat is our big seller, and you should check that out if you don't have it near your till. Exit soap, another must-have in any shop, from a pharmacy to a health food through to a tobaccoist to anywhere. Supermarket hardware, great seller. The microfiber laundry bag has really been well received, especially in the retailers that have a real eco focus. All your cleaning tools there, as you know. The spinning mop has been is still one of our powerhouse products, and don't forget to add the trolley to your range, because that customises to any of the spin mops we've sold previously. The white hand press, the red hand press, the purple foot and the grey foot. Eco Basics, this range has really grown. That's why we've given it 2 panels at the fair. We introduced the pot, the vegetable, the bathroom, the coconut, the dish and the bottle last year. We're introducing at this fair the decanter brush and the stemware brush, and they'll be on at the same price point, $5. You've got the window squeegee, you've got the dustpan and broom, and you've got the amazing broom. Other new additions to the range are the produce bag in organic cotton, a 5-piece, shopping bag in organic cotton, short handle and long handle, which I'll take you through in a tick. You've got your degradable garbage bags, which have been very popular in the 12, the 20 and the 50. Don't forget to ask for your dump bins. Your dump bins are available anytime, free of charge, to help with sales. This is a new dump bin which we've just introduced. It has little holes that help you to display the brooms. You get 10 brooms and you can put 6 dustpans down the middle, which is very good. The potato bag, the vegetable bag, and there's an onion bag have been very popular, so we introduced that between the last fair and this fair. I'll take you through their innovative features. These are brand new to the fair, a 3-litre bin, which basically is perfect for a toilet setup. The toilet brush, which we introduced, but we've modified it now to have a bamboo base. You've got your toilet paper holder in stainless and bamboo that takes 3 toilet rolls, or you've got a combo version, which is basically the toilet roll holder and the toilet brush for a discount. So they're brand new. You've got the handy carts. You've got the handy carts, which are great for getting things to and from the shops. Come in 2 sizes, the 45 and the 30. Now, just take you through those new lines in the organic cotton. So you've got the long handle, which you see here. The long handle basically is going over the shoulder. This is in the shopping bag. And you've got the short handle, like you see here. The big thing to note is they are organic cotton. Organic cotton basically is governed by that little symbol there. That dictates whether something is really organic cotton, and it's cost us quite a bit of money to get that symbol, and that is on our shopping bags as well as being on our produce bags. So the produce bags are 5-piece. You get 2 of the big boys. That'll take 2 kilos of oranges, no problems at all. You'll also get 2 of the smaller ones. That has about 1 kilo of oranges in it. And you also get, if I can find it, 1 of the smaller ones, and that one has garlic in it. So 2 large, 2 medium, and 1 garlic smaller one, and that's for your produce bag set. That replaces single-use plastic around the cash register. Also new to the fair is the reusable bamboo straws. You get 4 in the pack. They're handmade in Indonesia, so there is a little bit of a difference in the diameter. You'll see here that some of them have a thinner, some of them are thicker, and you'll also see that it comes with a cleaning straw. So the cleaning straw is free with every 4-piece sold, and because these aren't dishwasher safe, these need to be hand washed, and that cleaning straw is the best thing for it. And finally, just to tidy it up, that's the potato bag, or the onion bag, or the vegetable bag that you saw up there. That's it in use. It's got this amazing little trapdoor system where it's sealed, and then when you want to get your potato onion out, you simply open it, and the first one in is the first one out. So that one was put in first, so that will come out. You access that, keep it fresher for longer. It's got a little drawstring, little tie over the top, and that's a really nice way to keep your potatoes, onions, carrots, root vegetables fresher for longer. Don't forget the stand option. This is our great cardboard stand, which is perfect for small shops. You can see how narrow it is. It really is, I'd say, without having a form in front of me, I reckon that's about 20 centimetres in thickness, and so very narrow and about 60 centimetres wide. The whole thing's made out of cardboard, so it's really eco because the whole thing can be composted. Or you can go to the big boy, which is in hundreds of retailers now around Australia, the rotator. So it takes 5 levels of our eco cloth best sellers, the sponges, the cloths, the washing up pads, the drying mats, the tea towels, and it's double-sided. So you can do exactly the same on the other side, like you see there. So this, and it's on wheels, solid as, sturdy, push it out in the morning, pull it back in the evening. This has sold so many products for us over the years, and we'd love to put it into one of your shops ASAP. All right, thanks guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you at the next gift fair. Any questions, please give us a call on 1300 306 380 or email info@whitemagic.biz. Have a good one.